Hi guys, in this video we will make perfect crisp and golden vada from MTR Vada mix. So this 500 gram pack come at a MRP of rupees 200, but you can get this from Amazon at rupees 178. And there is this 3-step recipe which takes only 15 minutes. So coming to the recipe, for 1 cup of mix take 1 cup of water. It is 1:1 ratio and mix it properly. There shouldn't be any lumps. Now cover and let the batter rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, fluff the batter again till it's well aerated. Now you can add 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 1 or 2 green chillies, a chopped onion and a spring curry leaves and 8-9 crushed black pepper. Do not add salt in it. This vada mix already has salt. Now see the thickness of the batter. It should be like this. Now we need water. This is just to dip our fingers. We have the batter ready. We need a spatula like this. With or without hole, it's fine, but it should be curvy. So first of all, dip your fingers in water and apply some water on your palm. Take a small portion of batter and make a ball. Slightly flatten the ball. Now transfer it to the back of spatula. Next, make a hole in the center. Now we are going to slide Medu Vada to the oil. Ensure that the oil is hot enough. Pat it and it would gently slide easily in hot oil. Wait, I'll show you one more. And one more. Now fry Medu Vada on medium flame till they turn golden and crisp. And when done, take them out. You can see how crisp they are. They taste exactly like a traditional perfect vada. They are crisp on the outside, soft and delicious on the inside. So I'm sure you are going to try this. Subscribe for more videos.